Let us visualize and understand the properties of a wave. As we know, there are three important properties of a wave: wavelength, frequency, and speed, connected by the famous equation. So to generate a wave, we had given frequency, that is angular frequency, as 2 per second and speed as 5 meter per second. Let us see how the wave moves with these parameters. So because other parameters depend on this, so we have wavelength as 15.7 meters and time period as 3.14 seconds. So time period is the time taken by the external force to complete one oscillation. So as we have seen in the earlier oscillation, the oscillation of each particle on the wave mimics the external force. So hence time period can be considered as time taken by any particle on the wave to complete one oscillation. So let us see what is this 3.14. When it comes to -1, it is 20.4. And when it again comes back to -1, it is 23.6. So that is one time period is about 3.14 seconds. So the time period and frequency are related. 2 pi by t is the angular frequency. Let us see what is 15.7. So here, let us consider a minima. It is about at 7. The next minima is at 23. So 23 minus 7 is 16. So this is the wavelength. So wavelength is distance between two successive minima. Time period is time taken by each particle on the rope to complete one oscillation, and frequency is a related quantity to time period. So 1 hour time period is frequency, and 2 pi into frequency is angular frequency.